Hello, my name is Krista Shirley and I am a silver leader with Young Living Essential Oils. Here today to give you a little brief introduction about what are essential oils. There are a lot of questions, there's a lot of stuff out nowadays. There are a lot of bad oil products out there, so it's really important that you arm yourself with education and information to make the best choices when you're purchasing things to create a better supportive lifestyle for you and your family. So let's get started. So what are essential oils? They are the most powerful part of a plant. They are produced from shrubs, roots, trees, bushes, rinds, resins. They consist of over 100 natural compounds, and they aid the human body. They support from our health to cognitive function on a cellular level, from digestion to heart health to endocrine health. These specific oils are supportive in the structures of our bodies to help us live healthier lifestyles. So how do you use essential oils? Well, there are three main ways that you use oils. First, you can put them on your skin, so you can just apply them right to your skin. You can use a carrier oil, which we'll talk about in a minute, or straight onto your skin, different areas of your body. So putting them on your skin is probably the most popular way to apply essential oils. It's not just for a fragrance. Again, pure quality essential oils will actually support your systems. I like to use them in every possible way. So for example, I make oil concoctions that I put on my face regimen. When I wash it in the morning, when I wash it in the evening, I have different oils that I use depending on what I'm trying to do. I use essential oils in my bath routine. I put them in my bathtub when I'm taking a bath. I use them in my hair care products. I use them in every way possible, applying them to my skin. But just in general, I typically like to apply a drop of oil on my wrists, on my neck, and the back of my neck every 3 to 4 hours. And again, I choose an oil depending on what I'm needing. If I want to feel grounded, I'll choose something like Idaho Balsam Fir. If I want to feel more uplifted, Young Living has some oils called Hope or Joy that are good for emotional support. If I'm needing a pick-me-up, I might use peppermint oil. If I have a sore area of my body, I might use Panaway or Coolazul. If I have a headache, I might use Panaway on the temples. There are many different ways to use these oils. So that's applying them to your skin directly. Now you can add them into your face lotion or your body lotion, various different ways, and we can get into that in many other videos. Another way that you can use essential oils is diffusion. Diffusion is to literally put a few drops of oil into a diffuser. Most diffusers nowadays you add water to, plug it in, and then the room smells wonderful. Now, more than just letting the room smell good, that diffusion method is actually the fastest way for it to get into your body because it doesn't have to pass through your digestive system. So in 3 seconds of smelling that diffusioned oil, you're starting to feel benefits of that essential oil, which is really cool. And almost every oil out there you can diffuse. And then third and lastly is ingestion. Now it's really important when you think about ingesting essential oils that you pick a right oil, because almost no other companies out there have what's called Raha certification, which is generally regarded as safe, meaning that it is okay to internally consume the oils. Young Living does have that. They have their own Vitality line of oils, so you know which ones are safe to ingest and which ones aren't. Because there are so many diluted oils out there, most of the oils are not safe for internal consumption. And when I talk about diluted, we'll get into that in just a moment. But for ingestion, why would you ingest oils? Again, on a cellular level, these oils have incredible supportive benefits to your body. Lavender oil is amazing. It's relaxing internally for your digestive system. Peppermint is very powerful for your digestive system. Young Living has this oil called Diagize. It's a blended oil, and it gets rid of every stomachache I've ever had immediately. I just put a few drops in water. I also put drops of oil into veggie capsules and take them. Again, the benefits and uses of different oils that you can ingest internally are massive. But a very easy way to apply essential oils internally is to add them to tea, add them to water, add them to recipes. I make my son these amazing peppermint chocolate chip cookies that he loves. We also make lavender sugar cookies. I put different oils in many of my dressings. I cook with them. Like we have lemon oil and orange oil instead of using lemon. These oils are organic and they're natural and they aren't going to go rancid because it's truly just lemon oil. Basil, oregano, and it goes on. Really, really cool stuff. But again, you need to make sure that your oils are grade A. I do think it's important people know that essential oils are not a new fad, although sometimes people, it might seem that way because it's really popular right now, but they've been around since the beginning of time. If you look at the Bible, essential oils are mentioned directly or indirectly over 1,100 times. Jesus in the Bible was given frankincense, gold, and myrrh oils. We know about it during the Crusades. The Egyptians used essential oils for embalming and for makeup and beauty products, and actually have the first recorded deodorant using essential oils. The Romans used them in their bathhouses. And the list goes on and on. We have so many textual references. I do geek out on this because I majored in classical studies and anthropology and minored in archaeology, and I literally remember reviewing dockets of shipwrecks, and their ship had tons and tons of essential oils and raw materials. So it's something that used to be used for medical purposes and various other applications on the human body, but it was a massive support system before modern medicine existed. So the potency and power behind essential oils when they're pure grade A quality oils is really something that shouldn't ever be discarded, because not only do they smell good, but they truly can be a support for our human body inside and outside. The emotional support of essential oils is what brought me into this lovely, healthy lifestyle. But eradicating toxicity from my home by using essential oils instead of chemicals has kept me using essential oils, falling more and more in love with them and the products that Young Living offers. And I would love for you to check them out as well. If you ever want to get started, please check out the link below, and I would love to be of assistance. How are essential oils made? It really does depend on the specific oil. How they are planted, harvested, and distilled makes all the difference in the world as to the quality of an essential oil. There are 4 different grades of oils, grade A through D, A being pure essential oil, literally nothing else but that oil in the bottle. But if you take an oil like jasmine, for an example, jasmine flowers, they have to be hand-picked the first day they open before the sun becomes hot, or else you could lose up to 60% of the therapeutic quality in that bottle of oil. The oil will still smell good, but it won't give you the support therapeutically that you probably are seeking when you purchase that bottle of rather expensive jasmine oil. Typically, oils are distilled at low temperatures and in a facility that is clean and has high standards. They are harvested varying depending on the particular plant that you're looking at, but the methods for harvesting and distillation are really important. And again, I choose Young Living because I know they have the highest standards and all of their oils are grade A. If you ever want more information specifically, please check out the link below. I'd love to help you get started with essential oils.